Denver to address equal shelter access. This year's Healthy Community Awards have been announced, and women are doing better in Denver's tech sector. I'm Rebecca Jacobson, and this is YCN. At a recent City Council committee meeting, members of the city's LGBTQ Commission raised concerns regarding equitable access to Denver shelters for the trans and queer community.
Homelessness is an issue that quite disproportionately affects the LGBTQ community, and especially its youth. And there, frankly, are just shelters that are not serving that community like they should be, like they are required to by Denver ordinance.
Officials reiterated the city's non-discrimination policy and had a message for those affected by the issue.
To members of the LGBTQ community, that they are most welcome in Denver.
The Commission, which advises city officials on matters pertaining to the community, has already created a list of recommended action items for the administration, from focused data gathering to shelter staff education and more beds specifically for families, youth, and transgender populations.
If there is an incident of discrimination, please call. We have an office for anti-discrimination in the city and the phone number too, so be sure and contact and report it. It's something we need to follow up on. It's something the city doesn't tolerate, and I assure you there will be prompt action.
This week, 3 Denver organizations were honored for making our city a healthier place. The Healthy Community Awards recognize organizations and individuals that promote and maintain Denver's environment and healthy, livable communities. And the winners are Denver Food Rescue for innovation. Volunteers at Denver Food Rescue collect food from grocery stores that would normally be thrown away and deliver it to needy neighborhoods on bikes.
In 2016, Denver Food Rescue and our 150 volunteers cycled over 18,000 miles to deliver 320,000 pounds of food to 13,000 individuals in Denver, which is over $530,000 worth of grocery savings.
Work options for women for their excellence in compliance with Denver health codes and standards. Work Options for Women trains women for work in the culinary arts and helps them find employment in the food industry.
It's one thing to introduce material, and it's one thing for somebody to pass a test, but it's a whole nother level of competence and understanding to actually comply with those rules on a daily basis, whether it's rotating food or temperatures. That's what we're being rewarded for.
And Metro Caring for their commitment to providing access to healthy food and nutrition education for those in need.
Our model includes a dignified shopping experience where people can come and shop at no cost and receive well over a week's supply of food.
Congratulations to all the winners and nominees for this year's awards.
So Revelar is a small safety device that at the touch of a button lets you stay connected to your loved ones. And I've always had this feeling of safety should always be a right and not a privilege. And so what can we do to put safety back in the hands of people who need it most?
With only 1 in 4 tech jobs in the U.S. filled by women, startup co-founder Andrea Perdomo has beaten long odds with her company's global success. A recent national study on top cities for women in tech ranked Denver at number 8 with a smaller than average gender pay gap.
But it is a problem, but I think what Denver's done as a community is really acknowledged it and done something about it. And you know, that's something that I'm really proud of to be in Colorado starting Revelar here. Nobody ever thought we could get this far. Nobody probably looking at us ever thought we would be in tech running a company, but we have, and it's really what we do is we're trying to really just inspire people to go, especially women, to go chase those dreams and know that they can do it too, even if they don't have the experience.
Want to learn to be a severe weather spotter for National Weather Service's Skywarn program? A training class for city residents is coming up on the 11th in Southeast Denver, but you must register online at denvergov.org/CERT. Denver City employees can bone up on bad driving habits at the University of Colorado Health's Just Drive class. Learn just how dangerous distracted driving can be. Please, turn off your cell phones before training starts on Monday, April 10th. Look for a new edition of YCN each Friday. Thanks for watching.